everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of having a luxurious, high-end kitchen, but don't want to spend a fortune, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing some simple yet highly effective ways to upgrade your kitchen and give it that expensive designer look, all without a full-scale renovation. A kitchen that looks elegant and expensive isn't just about splurging on costly appliances or custom cabinetry. In fact, small details such as color choices, lighting enhancements, and well-thought-out organization can completely transform your space. Whether your kitchen is large or small, these strategic improvements will help you achieve a polished, high-end feel on a budget. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into some game-changing kitchen upgrades that will instantly make your space look more expensive. Upgrade your cabinet hardware. One of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to elevate your kitchen's aesthetic is by updating the cabinet hardware. You'd be surprised at how much of a difference new knobs and handles can make. Swapping out old, outdated hardware for modern and stylish alternatives can completely change the look of your cabinets. Finishes like matte black, brushed gold, or polished brass add an instant touch of luxury, making your kitchen look high-end and intentional. When choosing new hardware, consistency is key. Make sure all knobs and handles match in design and finish to create a cohesive and polished look. If you want a timeless yet sophisticated appeal, go for sleek and simple designs. For those who love a classic touch, vintage-style handles in an antique brass or satin nickel finish can add elegance without making the kitchen feel outdated. Paint or refresh your cabinets. Replacing kitchen cabinets can be incredibly expensive, but a fresh coat of paint can completely revamp them without a hefty price tag. Choosing the right color is crucial in making your kitchen appear elegant and well-designed. Dark and moody tones such as deep navy, charcoal, or forest green can add depth and sophistication, while crisp white cabinets create a bright, timeless look. If you prefer a softer, more understated luxury feel, consider using warm neutrals like beige, taupe, or greige. Another high-end option is the two-tone cabinet trend, where upper cabinets are painted in a light shade and lower cabinets are painted in a darker shade. This contrast adds visual interest, making the kitchen feel custom and expensive. Additionally, refinishing cabinets with a smooth satin or semi-gloss finish enhances their texture and makes them look professionally done. Invest in under-cabinet lighting. Lighting plays a huge role in how a space feels, and under-cabinet lighting is one of the easiest ways to create a luxurious atmosphere in your kitchen. It not only adds warmth and depth, but also highlights your countertops and backsplash, giving your kitchen a well-designed, polished look. LED strip lights or puck lights are excellent budget-friendly options that are easy to install and offer a high-end effect. If you have glass cabinet doors, consider adding interior lighting to showcase decorative dishes or glassware. This small detail makes a big impact and adds a sophisticated designer feel to the space. The right lighting makes a kitchen feel brighter, cozier, and undeniably elegant. Elevate your backsplash. Stylish and well-chosen backsplash can instantly make a kitchen look expensive. If your current backsplash is outdated or non-existent, upgrading it with a timeless material like subway tile, marble, or glass can add a significant upscale touch. White or neutral tiles create a classic and clean aesthetic, while bolder patterns or metallic finishes add depth and personality to the space. For those who want a luxurious look without the cost of a full backsplash renovation, peel and stick tiles are an excellent alternative. They are affordable, easy to install, and come in a variety of elegant designs that mimic real stone, ceramic, or glass. A well-chosen backsplash not only protects your walls from spills and splatters, but also serves as a beautiful focal point that ties the entire kitchen together. Upgrade your countertops on a budget. Countertops significantly influence the overall look of a kitchen, but replacing them can be quite costly. However, there are budget-friendly ways to achieve a similar high-end effect. Countertop refinishing kits allow you to transform outdated surfaces into ones that resemble marble or quartz at a fraction of the cost. If you prefer a more natural, warm look, butcher block countertops are an excellent option. They are affordable, durable, and give the kitchen a high-end farmhouse or Scandinavian feel. For those who love the appearance of stone but can't afford it, high-quality laminate options that mimic marble or granite have improved dramatically over the years and can provide a luxurious aesthetic without the hefty price tag. Stylish bar stools. If you have a kitchen island or breakfast bar, upgrading your bar stools is a small but impactful way to make your space look more expensive. The right stools not only provide seating but also serve as a stylish design element that ties the room together. Opt for bar stools with elegant materials such as velvet, leather, or polished metal finishes for a high-end touch. Unique shapes, gold accents, or sleek minimalist designs give your kitchen a modern and designer-inspired feel. To maintain a cohesive look, choose bar stools that complement the overall color scheme and design elements of your kitchen. Decorative accessories. Wisely. Luxury kitchens always look well curated and intentional, which means decor should be carefully chosen rather than cluttered. Minimalist, high-quality accessories can instantly enhance the sophistication of your kitchen. A few well-placed items, like a stylish tray, a marble cutting board, or a decorative vase with fresh flowers, can add effortless elegance. Glass jars filled with dry goods such as pasta, coffee beans, or grains add both functionality and aesthetic appeal, making open shelving look more refined. Wooden or ceramic bowls with fresh fruit bring warmth and color to the space. Replace old faucets with a statement piece. A sleek and modern faucet can instantly make your kitchen look more high-end. Replacing an outdated faucet with a modern design in finishes like matte black, gold, or brushed nickel adds a luxurious touch. Go for a pull-down or touchless faucet for added convenience and a more professional look. A tall, curved faucet with a clean, modern design enhances the sink area, making it a focal point that contributes to the overall elegance of your kitchen. Incorporate natural elements. Bringing natural elements into your kitchen creates a warm, inviting, and expensive feel. Wooden cutting boards, woven baskets, and ceramic dishware add texture and interest, making the space feel more curated and high-end. Fresh greenery, such as potted herbs, eucalyptus, or a simple vase of flowers, brings life into the space. Incorporating different textures, like a mix of wood, marble, and metal, adds depth and contrast, making your kitchen look professionally designed rather than flat and uninspired. Conclusion, and there you have it. These are some of the easiest ways to make your kitchen look expensive without spending a fortune. A few thoughtful upgrades like new cabinet hardware, stylish lighting, and well-chosen accessories can completely transform your space. Keeping things clean, organized, and well-lit also plays a huge role in making your kitchen feel high-end. Let me know in the comments which tip you are excited to try in your own kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.